If you're watching this video on how to get 500 subscribers in 1 month or less and you have not started your YouTube channel yet, what are you even waiting for? Start that channel first. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rukere Onuwa if you are just joining us, and today I'm going to be doing a video again for my YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers. So I'm going to show you guys how I grew my channel from 0 to 500 in 1 month, all in 5 or 6 steps. I actually did this video because I've been asked a lot how my subscriber count is actually growing really fast. That's why I made this video, because it was highly requested. I know I sound cliche, but it was actually highly requested. So here you guys go. If you're watching this video on how to get 500 subscribers in 1 month or less and you have not started your YouTube channel yet, what are you even waiting for? Like, that is actually the #1 step. Start your channel first. Start that channel first, then you can start thinking of getting your first 100 and your first 500 subscribers. So after you start your channel, the next thing is, when you are making your videos, make sure you make videos on searchable topics and trending topics. Do not make videos on a day in my life, or I went to visit my mother today, or I went to, like, we don't know you. You're a YouTuber. You're a new YouTuber, nobody knows you, so we do not want to see a day in your life unless you already have fans from Instagram or from Facebook. Maybe you already have so much fans there and then they want to come to your YouTube and see a day in your life. But if you are just a normal person like me, not like I'm a celeb in other platforms or anything, you cannot just come and start with a day in my life. Use searchable tags. The first thing that people do is actually get to know me tag. Trust me, you're going to get views on that. Not because people on YouTube actually wants to get to know you, but because it's the first thing that every new YouTuber does. So it has, if you go to the YouTube search button and you check get to know me, you see so many videos on get to know me, get to know me, get to know me. So doing that is actually okay. It's actually still recommended, because people that want to actually do their own get to know me videos will search for yours and check yours to see how they can do their own. So that's what I'm saying again. Use searchable topic, how to do your frontal or trending topics. If you see a challenge trending, if you see a makeup this thing trending, if you see maybe 2 celebs are fighting or something that is trending and that's your niche, that's what you want to be talking about, just jump on it. Just jump on trending topics, jump on it if you can. But if you can't, make sure you stick to searchable content. And then the third one, advertise your channel. Like, I can't overemphasize this enough. Send links to everybody and anybody that you know on every social media platform. See, let me tell you, I send links to all my WhatsApp contacts, both the one I talk to and the one I don't talk to. Maybe I'll not talk to you in a while, I just send you my link. The highest you can do is air me. Like, you can just, that's the highest you can do, air me. If you're not air me, if you don't air me, you will watch my video, win-win anyways. If you air me, no problem, I'll still send it to you again. You air me again, I'll still send it to you again till you get tired of airing me. So you get tired of airing me and then you click it. You shall click it one day, put on your status, send it to all, because nobody can advertise your channel more than yourself. Cannot depend on people to do that for you, unless of course you already have a large following on other platforms. Then that one is easy for you to do. Send it to everybody. If you can ask your family and friends to help you send it to their own friends if they can. But if they can't, you should have at least 50 contacts. Send it to all your 50 contacts. At least get 50 subscribers from your WhatsApp. Then go on your Instagram, put it on your story, put it on your Instagram page. If you can promote it on Instagram too, when you make a post on Instagram, if you can promote that post, promote it also. Send it to anybody you can send it to, anybody that bothers to open it, your Snapchat, your Twitter, and Facebook. I cannot overemphasize the importance of Facebook. People just overlook Facebook sometimes. Put your link on Facebook, send it to all your Facebook friends, the ones that you've not talked to, maybe those friends that you've not talked to in a long time. Maybe you knew them from 10 years ago, 5 years ago, and you've not talked to them in a long time. If they see a link from you, tell me they won't want to click it and open and check what you're doing. I've not talked to you in like 10 years or so, and I just see a link from you telling me you have a YouTube channel. I obviously want to see how you look like, what you are doing, how you are doing. So I would want to click and I would want to subscribe. Facebook people are not proud. Like I just always say, Facebook are not proud. Instagram people can be a bit proud. They can see your link and overlook it and not even click it or go on your YouTube. But Facebook people are like, I don't know. They are not proud. they want to know what's going on and they want to see, and then they're going to make sure that they click that link. So make sure you advertise your channel on every platform you can advertise it. If you have influencer friends, then good for you. The better for you. You can tell them to help you, or you can pay them to help you, whatever it is. Just advertise your channel well. Then another thing I do a lot to leave meaningful content on videos of OG YouTubers, like those big YouTubers, Nigerian YouTubers, American YouTubers, the ones that have large following. Turn on their notifications. When they post videos, immediately they post videos. Can't just start comment something, but don't comment something that is not meaningful. Comment something that is relating to the video, so that and then when you make those comments, people tend to like your comments, and when you have enough likes on your comments start going to the top. So when people open that video, your comment is the first comment they are seeing, your picture is the first thing they are seeing. That's your profile picture is the first thing they're seeing, your comment is the first thing they're seeing, and then they can be prompted to actually interact with your comment or want to click on your profile. If I have like how many likes on my comments and people are putting comments under that as well, I can as well advertise my channel. I can be like, oh, okay, I have this that on my channel, you can come and check it out if you want to. Not that you are going to be forcing people or telling people subscription for subscription. Just say something meaningful that would drag only people that are interested in your channel to your channel. You don't want meaningless people in your channel. So you do that. I do that, like just drop comments here and there. And even if people do not engage your comments, but you keep on seeing me, whenever I open a video, I just go to comments and I just keep on checking what people are saying. I used to do that even before I started YouTube. So if I keep seeing the same person, I keep seeing one same person on that comment section every time, I know it happened to me a lot. I keep seeing one person's comment. Maybe if I'm scrolling, I'll see comments from this person, I'll see it again the next time I check the video. I'm like, I'll see it again the third time. I'm like, let me even check this person's channel and see what this person is doing. So that's what you want. You want to bring people to your channel through any means possible. Please don't comment nonsense things. Make sure you comment something relating to the video, or they can delete your comment if it's so annoying. Don't come and say follow me or subscribe to my channel. No, don't do that. And then the last but not the least, use the TubeBuddy app. I don't think everybody knows about this app, but TubeBuddy app is like an SEO app. It helps you grow your channel. It tells you tags to use, topics to use. It tells you if your thumbnail is okay. If it's, I already did a video on thumbnails, you can watch it if you haven't. I already made a video on how to edit your thumbnails and upload your thumbnails. It tells you if your thumbnails is HD. It tells you how many views you have, how many subscribers you have. It tells you so many things. It just helps you grow your channel because it helps you look for searchable topics. It helps you look for searchable tags. It helps you add, like, really, especially if you use the paid version, it helps you add like so many tags to your videos. Tags that they can tell you now that if you do this topic is very the competition for this topic is actually high, so you might not get enough views. They'll tell you it's bad. Then they can tell you how to tweak it, maybe add another word or add another tag, or they'll tell you the tags that other YouTubers actually have thousands of views, the tags that they use. They'll tell you to. The app would actually tell you that. Like, the app is just really, really good. Whatever it is, like, I don't want to. It just helps you grow your channel. It helps you grow your channel. It just helps you keep your channel in check. You know, it tells you to add end screens, your thumbnails, your everything. Just tells you everything. Since I started using TubeBuddy, I've actually noticed difference in my videos and everything, because I add tags, searchable tags, that when you search, you might search for this one and find me, you might search for this one and find that video. So I don't know what exactly you're going to search for, but I know that I'm just going to use all the related tags that I can use, so that when you're searching on YouTube search bar, you will see me. And so that's it, guys, for today. When I get to 1k subscribers, I'm going to do another video on how I got 1k subscribers fast. So stay tuned and wait for that one. I hope you have learned a thing or two from my video. Make sure you apply them to your channel and you see that you actually grow. You might even get 1,000 subscribers in a month. So I know people that have actually gotten 1,000. I'm not talking about people that already have large followings outside YouTube, or if you're already a celeb or you're already an influencer outside YouTube. It's different for this kind of. I'm talking about normal, regular people that don't have influencer status or don't have any influencer friend or whatever. You're just a normal. You can actually get that so fast. So I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave your comments down below if you want to see more of this. Subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. Like, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't just watch and not like. Why Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I said I'm not going to be saying bye again. I said it in my last video and I'm still not used to it. See you guys in my next video.